The Insta360 has long been the go-to for 360 cameras, especially in the motorsport scene, as well as moto vloggers. Thanks to its flexibility, it's perfect for capturing creative shots you can't easily get with a traditional action cam. In this video, we've got our hands on the new Insta360 X5. So the big question is this a major upgrade or just another spec bump? Well, I'm Arsef from Yugatech, and let's break it down. And if you're wondering why I don't have my hands on it, well, Wax is still enjoying it out on his motorbike. So, roll that OBB and let's get started. Now, just a quick disclaimer, we received the Insta360 X5 before its official launch. During early testing, we ran into some editing issues. Our initial software wasn't fully compatible with the device just yet. As a result, we got a pink output screen, as you can see in the B-rolls of this video. This was happening on both Mac and Windows, and along with iOS. Thankfully, Insta360 released a beta update that fixed all of these bugs. Everything you'll see in this review is based on that beta firmware. What's in the box? So here's what you get in the box. The Insta360 X5 unit, a cleaning cloth, a Type-C to Type-C cable. And that's pretty much it. Our PR kit also came with an invisible selfie stick, lens guard, and a pouch, but we're not sure if these extras will be included in the standard retail version, so do keep that in mind. Now let's talk about the camera itself. The Insta360 X5 sticks to the familiar rectangular form factor from the previous models. It's still compact and easy to mount, but this time it sports a slightly more angular design. Personally though, we prefer the smoother carbon fiber finish of the X4 since it looks a bit cleaner. But this new model does come with a wind guard, which features a multi-layer mesh and improved noise filtering along with updated audio algorithms. At the front, the X5 keeps the same 2.5-inch screen as the previous model, but a great upgrade from before is that you can now replace the lenses thanks to Insta360's new lens guard kit. So don't worry too much if you accidentally scratch or break one. It's also a lot more water resistant, from 10 meters on the X4 to 15 meters on the new X5. That's a 50% boost in waterproofing, so it's perfect if you're planning to hit the beach and get some cool underwater shots this summer. Now moving on to the hardware, the Insta360 X5 now uses a larger 1.28-inch sensor compared to the older 1/2-inch sensor on the X4. That means better low light performance and more details in your footage. It still shoots in 8K resolution, but the image quality has been improved thanks to the bigger sensor and the new triple AI chip working alongside pure video. The X5 also supports 5.7K at 60 FPS with active HDR, perfect for high motion scenes with better contrast and detail. With active HDR, your shots can have a more dynamic look and feel to them. And with 60 FPS, you can slow down the video while keeping your video sharp at the same 5.7K resolution. Meanwhile, the new wind guard and audio algorithm help reduce wind noise a lot. Plus, you can now connect to Bluetooth audio devices or intercom systems. We tested the X5 mainly while riding a motorcycle, and it was able to capture every angle without the need to adjust the action cam mid-ride. So, no need to stop on the road and just adjust the action cam anymore. Instead, it captures everything while you're on the ride. Best of all, it doubles as a 360-degree camera, perfect for catching those unexpected road moments. With Insta Frame mode, you can record a 360-degree video and it will generate a ready-to-share flat video with a fixed or auto-follow angle, making it a lot more easier to edit and post on social media. Although we didn't test it underwater, our previous X4 survived a lot of our underwater adventures, and the X5 should be even better with its improved waterproofing. Meanwhile, pure video makes night shots a lot brighter, though it increases ISO, which might add a bit of noise. But hey, at least the footage looks brighter, and even when there's barely any light around, you can see what's happening on the video. There's even AI highlight assistant that marks the best parts of your footage automatically, making it a lot easier to edit and cut. In addition to AI Highlight Assistant, there are even various presets and modes available to choose from. You have motorcycling, skiing, outdoors, customs, to name a few. There's even a pre-recording feature which is similar to the pre-shooting mode on digital cameras, saving the last 30 seconds of footage before you even press record. Meanwhile, endurance mode disables power-hungry features to save on battery life while retaining essential recording video functions. Now, speaking of battery life, as for the battery, it's been slightly improved too. The Insta360 X5 now has a 2400 mAh battery capacity, which is a bit bigger compared to the 2290 mAh battery in the Insta360 X4. But of course, battery life is still very much dependent on the user, particularly the settings and also the temperature. Given how hot it has been lately, this might affect battery life more, especially if you're out on rides or if you're using it on a very hot summer day. But thankfully, you don't have a lot of downtime when you're using the Insta360 X5. There's a fast charging feature which can juice the camera to 80% charge. If you're someone who's using an older action camera like the Insta360 X3 or even earlier, it's a great upgrade, no doubt about it. If you record mainly in low light, then even if you're coming from the Insta360 X4, it will be worth the upgrade. But otherwise, we would recommend waiting for the X6. Now, let's talk about the price. The Insta360 X5 standard bundle starts at just 32,990 pesos. If you're a cyclist who wants to create content, well, they have the Insta360 X5 cycling bundle for 37,490 pesos. If you're a motorcyclist who wants to create content just like Wax does, well, there's also the motorcycle bundle for 37,890 pesos. But if you want the all-in-one package, they have the Essentials bundle for 39,390 pesos. Which one is to pick? Well, the choice is yours. So if this video has helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss the next one. Also, don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms. That's Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok. And of course, visit yugatech.com while you're at it to check out the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, I'm Jose, and see you guys in the next one.